So I am making this quick video to show you why or what my frustration with Bitrix is. Now I have gone to my sites tab and I can see this site that I published. Here it is, Charles Motoring Services. Okay, what I need to do is I need to update my site. There is a problem. There some placeholder information or placeholder content that I didn't remove, such as these, and then the telephone number is also not correct. I need to edit these things, but you see, now I have come to the site page where I am meant to find this site I created in Bitrix to edit, and it's not there. I can't find it anywhere. So guide me on how to fix this, please. Look, I'm trying to go to the site now. Usually I should be able to find it here to edit. So nothing, it's not working.